say the medical museum perhaps was started a long time ago, even when Tan Sri Amin was the dean of this medical faculty. But it was not until 2023 when the former dean, Professor Dr. April Kamila Roslani, realized this dream into reality with the help of funding from Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai.
I'm very happy to donate this 2 million ringgit to upgrade and to improve the museum, because this medical museum is important for the image of the Faculty of Medicine and also Universiti Malaya.
The country's continuous commitment to advancing education and healthcare is truly inspiring. His generous contribution has been instrumental in transforming this dream into reality, and we are profoundly grateful for his support. Thank you, Tan Sri Lim Wee Chai. It is now my honor to officially declare the opening of Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai Medical Museum.